Single, the single life. No commitments, no relationship drama, just you, your ambitions, and maybe a few dating apps you rarely check. Being single doesn't mean being lonely. In fact, it's often the best time to focus on self-improvement, hobbies, and personal growth. Many people actively choose to be single, valuing their independence over relationships. But let's be real, some singles wish they weren't. They might be looking for love, but haven't found the right person yet. Either way, being single is the foundation of every relationship status. Before you can be with someone, you need to be okay with being by yourself. Talking stage. Welcome to the talking stage, the unofficial beginning of a possible relationship. You're texting back and forth, maybe going on casual outings, but you're not exclusive yet. This stage is fun, but confusing. Is this person interested in a relationship? Are they just flirting for fun? No one really knows. In fact, the talking stage is where a lot of potential relationships end before they even begin. Communication is key here. If both people are clear about their intentions, this stage can smoothly transition into dating. If not, it can turn into a frustrating guessing game. Casual dating. Now, we're moving up the ranks. Casual dating means you're seeing someone without exclusivity. You go on dates, spend time together, and enjoy each other's company, without any serious commitments. Some people love casual dating because it allows them to explore different connections without pressure. Others hate it because they prefer a structured, committed relationship. Casual dating can go in two directions. It evolves into something serious. It fizzles out when one or both parties lose interest. Either way, this stage is all about having fun, testing compatibility, and seeing where things go. Situationship. The situationship, the gray area of romance. You're more than just friends, but you're not officially dating either. This is where things get complicated. You may spend a lot of time together, share emotional intimacy, and even act like a couple, but without the official relationship label. Some people are okay with this setup, while others find it frustrating because it lacks clarity and commitment. Situationships often end badly when one person wants more, but the other wants to keep things undefined. If you're in a situationship and want clarity, the best thing to do is communicate. If the other person avoids the topic, that's already your answer. Exclusive dating. Now we're getting serious. Exclusive dating means you and your partner have decided not to see other people. You're in the early stages of a committed relationship, testing whether you're truly compatible for the long haul. At this stage, you spend more quality time together, start meeting each other's friends, have deeper emotional conversations. However, you're not fully committed yet. Some people mistake exclusive dating for an official relationship, but in reality, it's more of a trial phase before making things official. If everything goes well, this naturally transitions into a boyfriend, girlfriend, partner relationship. If not, it ends with "this isn't working" texts. Official relationship. Boyfriend, girlfriend, partner. Now, we're in a real relationship. This is where emotional commitment, trust, and communication truly matter. At this stage, couples make their relationship public, build emotional and physical intimacy, start considering a future together. Of course, every relationship has challenges. This is where problems like jealousy, insecurities, and communication issues start to surface. But if both people are serious and willing to work through these challenges, the relationship grows stronger. One key difference between this stage and the previous ones: exclusivity is now official, there's no more talking to other people. Engaged, we're reaching the top tier of relationship statuses. Engagement is a formal commitment to marriage or a lifelong partnership. This stage is about long-term commitment and preparing for a future together. It's exciting, but also stressful, because now, real-life responsibilities come into play. Do we share the same values? Do we have similar financial habits? Are we truly compatible for a lifetime? Engagements can last months or years. Some end in marriage, while others end in breakups. Just because a couple gets engaged doesn't guarantee they'll get married. Marriage is one of the highest forms of commitment in a relationship. It's legally and emotionally binding, meaning you're no longer just dating, you're life partners. Marriage involves shared responsibilities, finances, household, decision-making, deep emotional connection, long-term plans for the future. However, marriage isn't for everyone. Some people prefer lifelong partnerships without a legal contract. while others value marriage as a symbol of commitment. Either way, this stage is where relationships are tested the most because real-life responsibilities come into play. The key to a successful marriage: love, trust, communication, and teamwork. Life partners or soulmates. Finally, we've reached the highest level of a relationship, true partnership. Not everyone who is married reaches this stage. Being life partners or soulmates means your connection goes beyond romance. It's about unconditional support, being there for each other through everything, deep emotional and spiritual connection, feeling truly understood, a lifelong commitment, whether legally married or not. At this stage, couples aren't just together because of passion or habit. They're together because they choose each other every day, no matter what challenges come their way.